I'm working on the Quran in early Islam. My main research is about the polemic in the text of the Quran, how the text of the Quran deals with other religions, mainly the Christians and the Jews in this text. My main work is to contextualize the text of the Quran and show the close relation between this text and previous Christian and Jewish literature. The question of violence in the text of the Quran, it's a very complex, very sensitive question. I will explain maybe how I consider this question. As an historian, I try to connect the Quran with I would say the Byzantine literature in the beginning of the 7th century. This is the main aspect of my paper, and try to highlight that the warfare are closely connected between the Quran and text written around 620s. And I took some examples of chronicles, Byzantine chronicles, narratives from an author called, name is George of Pisidy. And I tried to compare those texts, simply to compare those texts and to see, is there any connection with the rhetoric inside those texts? Did they, I would say, use the same images? Did the same literary features? This is the main approach I have for this question of violence in the Quran. So trying to contextualize the text, we call it in English, through the lens of late antique text, and highlight also I would say, the fact that we can read the text of the Quran also with Muslim exegesis, but it's not the only way. And I try to combine these two approaches, read the Quran and I would say the violent expressions in this text through the lens of late antique text, and also through the lens of Muslim exegesis.